Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install AWS Systems Manager on an EC2 instance, complete guide step by step clearly. To install AWS Systems Manager on an EC2 instance, start by launching the Amazon. In the console, click on Instances in the left navigation pane. Select the instance where you want to install Systems Manager. Make sure the instance has an IAM role attached with the necessary permissions for Systems Manager. If it doesn't have the role, create an IAM role with the Amazon EC2 role for SSM policy attached. Now, go back to the instance details and attach this IAM role. Next, ensure that your instance is running a supported operating system. AWS Systems Manager is compatible with Amazon Linux, Ubuntu, Windows, and others. Connect to your EC2 instance using SSH for Linux or Remote Desktop Protocol for Windows. Once connected, update your package manager. For Amazon Linux, use the command sudo yum update y. For Ubuntu, use sudo apt-get update followed by sudo apt-get upgrade y. Now, install the SSM agent. For Amazon Linux, run sudo yum install y Amazon SSM. For Ubuntu, use sudo snap install Amazon SSM agent classic. For Windows, download the latest SSM agent installer from the AWS website. After the download, run the installer by double-clicking the executable file. Once the installation is complete, start the SSM agent service. For Linux, use the command sudo system start Amazon SSM agent. Ensure the service is set to run on boot with sudo system enable Amazon SSM agent. For Windows, open the Services panel and find the Amazon SSM Agent service. Set its startup type to automatic and start the service. Next, confirm that the SSM agent is running properly. For Linux, check the agent status by running sudo system status Amazon SSM agent. For Windows, ensure the service shows as running in the Services panel. Verify network access for your instance. The instance must be able to communicate with the Systems Manager endpoints. Check your security group rules and outbound network settings. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.